Hello, ice cream fans. This is Branch's Soft Serve here. How you doing? We're parked right in front of Skyline Dental Arts dentist's office. So come and get some ice cream and milkshakes. Let me show you what we got here. We got some new milkshakes for you. They're called King Milkshakes. And here's some pictures for you to see what they look like. In the middle is a banana split sundae. But here's the pictures of the King Milkshakes. Now let's go closer and see. The first one is the Bark Off the Tree King Milkshake. Now, can you see it? Look good to me, y'all. What's in it is a chocolate peanut butter milkshake as the bottom. And then you got whipped cream, dark chocolate brownie, peanut butter, chocolate sauce, peanuts, Reese's peanut butter cups. That's so good, y'all. It's a hybrid. King Milkshakes is a hybrid of milkshake and sundaes combined. This milkshake, the King Milkshake, comes with a spoon and a straw, guys. So you can do whatever you want with that spoon and straw and enjoy your King Milkshake. Next one, we got the Pecan Turtle King Milkshake. And you guys see that right there? Don't it look delicious, guys? It looks great to me, y'all. And it is delicious. This comes with 2 cookies. And you're like wondering, where's the other cookie? Well, the other cookie is actually in the milkshake. We warmed that cookie up, the Pecan Turtle cookie up, and put it in the milkshake with caramel and chocolate sauce. And you make a milkshake out of it. Make that Pecan Turtle milkshake. And then on top we have whipped cream. Then we have another Pecan Turtle cookie, caramel and chocolate sauce. Yum. Next one, the Oreo Dream milkshake. Oreo Dream King Milkshake. Can you see it, guys? It looks so good. Let me get closer. Yum. You like Oreos? This is the dream for you. Now, let me tell you what's in it. It's a Oreo milkshake as the bottom. And on the top, you got whipped cream, dark chocolate brownie. And these brownies are homemade, guys. No store-bought here. All homemade. And so we got a homemade dark chocolate brownie, Oreos, chocolate sauce, marshmallow fluff, and chocolate sprinkles. Now that sounds like a dream come true. Now you gotta try it. And the last but not least, Raspy Branch King Milkshake. Now can you see it, y'all? It is so good. Do you see that it's purple? It's a purple milkshake. Now what is in it? Let me tell you what's in this milkshake. This Raspy Branch King Milkshake, the bottom is black raspberry milkshake, guys. Now, it's so good. It's one of those top sellers. They're all top sellers, but man, if you love black raspberry ice cream, you gotta add this. This is amazing. It'll blow your mind. It's to the next level. And on top of this black raspberry milkshake is whipped cream, a dark chocolate brownie, warm, and on top of that you got the black raspberry sauce, marshmallow fluff, and chocolate sauce. Oh yeah. So these are the sweet treats for the King Milkshakes. Now let's go to the banana split. Now this banana split is in a cup, so it's easy access, easy to hold in your hand while driving or wherever you want to use it to go with. You can go with this banana split. Very easy, and it's very tasty. Now let's zoom up on that. It comes in 2 sizes, small and large. The size in this picture is small. We have no juniors. We have no junior banana splits. This is a small size, guys. It's amazing already, right? So you know that large is spectacular. So let me tell you the ingredients of this milkshake. Tell you the ingredients of this banana split. This banana split has Madagascar vanilla, and it's layered with strawberry, pineapple, and chocolate sauce. And of course you got bananas to make it the banana split. And if you want to take it to the next level, put those wet walnuts on there and whipped cream. And if you love whipped cream, we got some good whipped cream and those wet walnuts, and it's just like it takes it even farther. It was already in the sky, now you're in the clouds on the moon, y'all. That's how good it is, that banana split. So gotta try these out. So you got the bark off the tree king milkshake, you got the banana split, you got the raspy branch king milkshake, you got the Oreo Dream king milkshake, and last but not least, Pecan Turtle milkshake. Try them all, guys. These are the new milkshakes we have. You want to be a king and queen for a day or every day? Come to Branches. It's only at Branches. We have the regular milkshakes too. We got the vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, pineapple. We have chocolate peanut butter, Oreo. We have 52 flavors of milkshakes. We don't list them all because it'll be a long list, but ask and we probably have it. If we don't, there is something for everyone. That's for sure. You might be surprised. You might find your new favorite. There's a menu here. So we're open, you guys, so come on down. Let me give you a sweep of the area. You can see Five Guys from here. So right across the street from Five Guys. There's the truck. We're going to sweep around. You can see us, great view. There's the dentist's office. And that is, the dentist's office name is Skyline Dental Arts. So they let us stay out here. We had a promotion today. It was free ice cream cones. It's over right now, but hey, this is some good ice cream. It's a hot, beautiful day. Look at that sky. Beautiful. It's great for ice cream. Come up here and get some milkshakes. Get some banana splits. You can get some shaved ice. We have shaved ice, you guys. Woo! I know you guys love a shaved ice. And this shaved ice is not hard. It is soft that you can eat with a spoon. So refreshing. Then we got our ice cream flavors. And this is fresh ice cream. As soon as you order it, it's made on the spot. We got Madagascar vanilla and African cocoa. And we can also mix the two. So, and if you have a favorite ice cream flavor, we can actually make that as well. Okay. Bye-bye.